Hey friends, welcome to Little Town Homestead. My name's Allison. So today what we're going to learn is how to make sour cream out of normal cream. So what I have here is raw cream that I got from raw milk from a family cow. So I just skimmed it off the top. If you want to know how to do that, you can watch one of my videos. I'll put the link in the description below. I just skimmed the milk off the top and I put it in this jar. So this and this is full cream. So what I'm gonna do today to make sour cream is I've got this yogurt that I got from Aldi actually, and all the ingredients is milk and cream and live active cultures. It has 5 live active cultures, and that's what you need to make sour cream. And all we're going to use today is your oven. Now you're not going to cook it in the oven, but what you want to have is a warm oven. So you could wait an hour after you use it or so, and you just want it to be around 100 degrees. So right now I haven't cooked anything, but I have it on for a couple minutes just to get it warm in there. So I'm actually going to go ahead and turn that off. It should be warm enough. And I'm going to take my creams, open them up, and I'm gonna take a spoon and get about 2 heaping tablespoons full of the yogurt and put it in the cream. 1, 2. Now I'm just going to give them a stir. Just make sure it's well incorporated. Exploded. Alright, now I'm just going to wipe the lid off. This one's a bit full, that's why it's spilt. Okay, now I'm gonna put the lids back on. Now all I'm gonna do is take this dish towel I have, lay it out, and I'm gonna lay both of these down on it. I'm gonna tuck these right here and then fold it over. Now, all I'm gonna do is put these in my oven, and then in about a day, I'm gonna come back and check on them, so tomorrow, and they'll be sour cream, but they won't be very firm. So, and then I will put them in the fridge, and then about another day, they'll firm up, and they'll be your typical sour cream. So I'll show you the end product, so I'll see you back tomorrow. Something I forgot to mention was once you put them in there and you close the door, you want to turn your light on. Where's my light? Oh yeah, it's over here. So now you can't tell because mine's really covered, but the light's on, and that'll keep it warm enough in there for them over the next day. Hey friends, so it has been, let's see, so I put the sour cream in the oven Thursday, and then I took it out Friday morning and I put it in the fridge so it can set, and it is now Sunday morning. So I'm going to show you what the sour cream looks like. Alright, here's the sour cream end results. Started it Thursday evening and took it out of the oven on Friday, put it in the fridge. It is now Sunday, and now you can see the end results. It's very thick and very tasty and healthy. Probiotics, that is a win for me. Alright guys, this concludes this video about homemade thick sour cream, rich in probiotics, easy to make, no fancy equipment. Please let me know how you like it, and I'd love to hear any feedback or comments that you have to share. And have a blessed day. Bye.